Today I'm creating these colorful, intuitive faces. I've never done this activity before, so you are on a journey with me, a beginner's journey with me. I first discovered the idea for this activity on Instagram, on Sarah Martinez Art Instagram account. And basically you water down acrylic paints and pour them a little bit, and then use a card to move the paints around into sort of a shape of a face, and then just add the facial features as they feel fun to add, I guess. That's what I did, at least. Just whatever comes up, whatever colors feel like they would be interesting or fun or playful or curious. You're curious about certain color combinations, just give them a try, see what happens, and you just go from there. If you don't have the acrylics, you could use watercolor here. That would work just as well. I'm actually using acrylic gouache rather than straight up acrylic, so I think actually Sarah Martinez does use the acrylic gouache. And I just thought it was really fun to see who came out in these silly little faces. I will definitely try this activity again just to see where it goes. I can see getting quite into it, actually, because it's just so interesting and playful and fun. So I hope you join me in this and see what comes out of you, what faces arise when you just let go